Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the video class. Last class we have discussed exercise 1.3 all mains we solved, and now solve the exercise 1.4. In that first question, visualize 3.765 on the number line using successive magnification. Here they give an example. See here page number 17. Here successive magnification means they said 5.37 they given. Here you have to find how many digits up to 3.765 is there. We know the number line. First to draw the common number line. Write down in that first one what is there, 3.765. Draw the number line as usual. You are drawing the number line. How you are drawing? Write down here 0. Here should be positive. 0 is the starting point. Here should be positive numbers. Here left side should be negative numbers. Here +1, +2, +3, +4, so on, and here -1, -2, -3. It is a general number line. Here they said 3.765. Where is it here? Here is the 3. Yes or no? I need 3.765 means I need here 3.1, 3.2 up to next is 3.7. First you see the 3.7. Afterwards 6. Afterwards 5. Okay. Draw the here 3 to 4. You have to see 3 to 4 digit. Here write down 3 to 4 means here should be 3. Next here 3.1. Write the 1 unit you should take here. In scale 1 unit you should take should be 3. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, 3.8, 3.9. Here should be 4. 3.9 to 4. Here I said up to 3.7. First you see the 3.7. Where is the 3.7? Here. Okay. Here means you should check again 3.7 to 3.8. Take the numbers 3.7 to 3.8. Total you should consider like this. Right. Total should be. Okay. Next again you should write 3.7 to 3.8. Means it should be 3.7. Again you have to take 3.71, 3.72 up to the next digit you can say 3.76. Means 3.73, 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79. Here should be 4. 3.79, 3.8. Okay. Here where is the next digit? 3.76 means 76 to 77. You have to see. Here also same whole numbers you are considering. You just write them like this. Make here row. Continuous this. Again I need here 3.765. Draw the another one number line. Where to? 3.76, 3.761, 3.762. How much I need? 3.765, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.777, 3.765, 766, 777, 3.768, 67, here 68, 3.769, 69, last 3.7. Here see where is the 3.765? Here 3.765. Here fix the arrow mark it 3.765. Take a hole. Like this you have to write the arrows. Okay, whatever you are drawing by using scale and pencil you should write clearly. First draw the number line as usual. You know already this. Afterwards you have to see the 3.7. You should take 3 to 4 digit. Here you should write 3 to 3.1, 3.2. Make it here one unit you have to take. Neatly you will get the diagram. Afterwards 3.12 you should take 4. Remaining Again they said 3.76 you should consider, means 3.6, 3.61, 62. Sorry, 3.71, 72, 73, 74, up to how much? I need 76 you should take. Again is there here, what is there? 3.765. Next you have to consider 3.765. It's easy. Okay, like that you should draw 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4 steps you will get. If another one digit is there, means if here they gave 2 or 3, means you should draw another one and you have to make it this graph, these lines. Okay. Next, as it is, second one also 4.26. Here bar they are given 4.26. Second one 4.26 bar on the number line up to 4 decimal places. Here already 2 is given. You have to write up to 4 decimal places, means how you are writing? 4.2626, total 4 decimals. Okay, take down. Write down here up to 4 decimal places. Up to how much? Total 4 means 4.2626. Here also same you have to write. You know the number line already. You should draw the common number line. How you draw? It should be 0, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4. Here minus 1, minus 2. No need minus. Why? Because here they given positive numbers. Check here. I need here 4. Yes or no? 4 to 5 you should take. Draw the number line again. Neatly you should draw in home. Here 4. Next digit what is there? 4.2 is there. Yes or no? I am writing 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 7, 8, 9, up to 5. I need here, I said first digit you have to see 2 is there. Means 4.2 to 4.3 you should consider. Okay, 4.2 to 4.3. You write like this. Why? Because this continuous. That's why you have to write arrow mark. Next draw the number line. Again I need next digit should be 6. Like that you have to take. Means 4.2. Here 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 4.25, 4.26, 4.27, 4.28, 4.29, 4.3. Okay. Again I need here 4.26. Where is there? 4.26 to 4.7 you have to take. Draw like this. Here keep arrow mark. Here also same. Again I am taking here 4.26. Here 4.261. So here again I need 4.262. Up to you have to take 4.262, 4.263. Okay. 4.264, 4.265, 4.266. Still need leave it fully. You should complete that. I need here 4.262. Where is there? Here up to here. For this Maggie column neatly you should draw. Okay. Next you have to take the again number line. I need 4.26 to finish. Next 6 I need. That's why you have to take 4.262. Here 4.2621, 4.2622, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.267, sorry 2.226. Next 4.2627. Like that continuous you should write. I need up to 4.2626. Is there or not? Here 4.2626. You have to keep arrow mark. You have to write down. Okay. like that. These all. Here also same, last problem you did not like that only. Here they said up to 4 decimal places you should take the number. 4 decimal means 4, 3 means 3, 2 means already 2 given. 3 means should take the up to 262. 4 digit 2626, 5 digit 26262, like that you have to take the number and draw the number line. Okay, next this exercise 1.4 finished. Now operations on real numbers, exercise 1.5. Here exercise 1.5, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Already last class we have discussed how should be rational, how should be irrational. Here rational means I said it is in the form of P by Q. What about irrational? It is not in the form of P by Q. Take down exercise 1.5. In that first one, what is there? Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Just you have to write it's a rational or irrational. 2 minus root 5 is there. Okay. You know already how you have to solve. We know that root 5, what is the value? You have to solve by finding square root value. How you are finding? I said 2 2s are 4. Whatever your number taking, same number. 5 minus 4, 1. Point take, here should be 0. Add this. Next step, add this number. It's a finding of square roots. Square root finding is very important. It's a very irrational number square root finding. This one, irrational number square root finding, take down side is very important to find the irrational numbers by converting decimal form. Okay. I said here 10 is there, already point is there, take another one 0. I said if which any digit if you are taking is you have to multiply same number. 41 ones are, if I am taking 1, 41 ones are 41, you will get smaller number. Okay, you have to take, if I am taking 2 means 42 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 84. That is 43 into 3 means 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 means it will be bigger number. I am considering 42 2s are how much? 84. 10 minus 4 will be 6 and here 9 minus 8 will be 1. 16 you will get, I said point already is there, take the 0 and this digit you should add here 44. Okay, here if I am writing 1 means 4 and 41 you will get, that's already point is there, you should take the 0. Next I am taking here 44 1 is 1 4, 41 is smaller number. 44 if you are taking 2 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 2 5 8 and 84 you will get still smaller number. I will take here 3 3 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 13 1 3 2 9 you will get. Okay, 443 3s are how much? 1 3 2 9. Here should be 1 7 2 0. You get like these numbers. Limit this one up to I need 2 digits. Here root 5 value how much? 2.23. Now what is there? 2 minus, instead of root 5 I will take 2.23. You will get how much value? Minus 0.23. If 2 will be 0. Bigger number to smaller number it will be negative. 0.23 answer you will get. It's a non-terminating, non-recurring, this irrational. This are no point is there, you know already, irrational number. Just you should write irrational number. Like that. Second one. What is there? Here also square root is there. It should be easy. Here say if anything common take out means take out 3 plus root 3 minus root 3. Here I am taking say 3 plus in bracket what is that? Root 23. Here minus root 23. Yes or no? Here see plus root 23 minus root 23 cancel, we will get 3. It should be rational. How rational is 3 by 1? It is a rational number. Okay. Next what is there? 2 root 7. Third one. 2 root 7 divided by 7 root 7. I will write this 2 2 by 7 into root 7 by root 7. If root 7 cancelled means you will get what is the value? 2 by 7. It is in the form of p by q. It should be rational. Okay, understood? Next, 1 by root 2. Fourth one, 1 by root 2. One by root 2. Here it is in the form irrational. If you are saying only 1 by root 2, but it's a confusion. Rational or irrational is in the p by q. P is the 1, but q is the irrational is there. You have to multiply and divide. Multiply and divide by numerator, and you should write full form numerator and denominator by root 2. Why root 2 I am taking means, if multiplied means 1 into root 2 divided by root 2 into root 2. You know already, side write down. Root 2 into root 2 should be root 2 whole square, square root square cancel, you will get 2. Here root 2 into 1, root 2 by 2. Already you know 2 means root 2 into root 2, like that should be. Here root 2 by 2. Okay, what is the value root 2? Find out the same method, square finding method. You will get 1.41. You will get 1.4142, like that. You will get root 2 value divided by 2 means 2 7 ja. Here same 414. You will get 0.2 means 0.70 means 2 zeros are. Okay, you will get 0.707, like that something you will get the value. Next, fifth one, what is there? 2 pi. Fifth one, 2 pi is there. You know already pi value. What is the pi value? Side write down. Pi value should be 3.142. Consider 3.142 or 3.14 also. 2 you just multiply 3.14. You will get, if you are multiplying 3.14 into 2 means 6.28. For this you have to write it's a irrational. Why? Because continuous number you will get. Yes or no? And here it's also, here also 6.28. Here pi value should be 3.1428, like that something is in it. It should be continued. That's why it is also irrational. Okay, I think all of you understood exercise 1.5 first main. Okay, you have to solve. In this you have to solve again, and any doubts is there means message me. Here first main, classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Just I solved rational and irrational. Firstly I said you have to solve clearly. Okay, thank you.